Hello, my name is Afzal Akhtar. I will make I will teach you how to make a rainforest. First, you glue cardboard on your box over here. After that, after that, after that, you put you put two pieces of blue construction paper and you glue it onto your cardboard. After that, there is one light green construction paper. You cut it in a swirly line and then you put them on both sides and you made a river. You made a fourth floor also. After that, if you want design, you can make a riverbank. You put rocks around the river and then glue them, and then wait until they dry, and you made a riverbank. After that, I will teach you how to make trees. They are very easy to make them. First, you poke a hole. And then you put glue. You can do it. And then you put glue, and then you put the tree. And that's how you do it. Take really. And after that, you put 3 or 4 rocks next to it, glue them, and not for your tree to fall. You can put around 6 or 7 of these trees, and then you want to put these straight trees, right? After using that, you have to make the straight trees. It's really simple. You can put around 13 to 12 of these straight trees, or 10 if you want to, of these straight trees. And then after you've done that, you can put a few leaves, like these. After you put a few leaves, I'll teach you how to make those bushes and leaves. First, you cut light green construction paper, dark green straps of construction paper, dark green construction paper, light green construction paper, and don't forget brown construction paper. You cut them in strips, and then after that, you put them around, you glue them to the fourth floor, and you made lots of bushes. After that, you practically almost finished. First, you want to put your toys in, like gorillas, monkeys, spiders, tigers, and some bugs and flies over here. And after you've done that, you completely made your rainforest. And now I'll tell you all the facts about them. Information. The rainforest is an amazing and important place for the world. Rainforests across the world make 70% of all world oxygen. Rainforests help Rainforests help us in other ways too. For example, we get rubber, cocoa, vanilla, and fruit. Also, about 26% of all medicine in the world comes from the rainforest. Rainforests are found in the tropical areas around the equator. Rainforests get a lot of rain. That's why they're called rainforests. The rainforest about 200 days every year. Rains about 200 days every year. In the rainforest, the forest gets about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain every day. Animals. There are many animals in the rainforest. In fact, out of all the animals in the world, 50% live in the rainforest. Yeah, 50%. Some of the animals that live in the rainforest are gorillas, toucans, lemurs, sloths, snakes, jaguars, poison dart frogs, beetles, hummingbirds, anteaters, tarantulas, parrots, snails, armadillos, capybaras, bush dogs, and tapirs, squirrels, and sloths. Rainforest animal facts. The anteater eater found in the rainforest. Has a 2 feet long tongue to eat rainforest bugs on the ground. Oh, I'm moving. On the ground, the bugs are beetles and lots of ants. Number 2, the anaconda that live in the rainforest can grow up to 25 feet long and 300 pounds, about 300 pounds. Sloths can take over 2 weeks to climb from the top of a tall rainforest tree to the bottom. The capybara is the biggest animal in the rat family. It can weigh over 100 pounds. Yes, 100 pounds. The rainforest layers. Yeah, I remember I saw this. The rainforest has four layers in it. Each have different animals and plants. Well, the first layer is called the emerging layer. This is the emerging layer on my model of the rainforest. It is the highest point of the rainforest. It has the tallest trees. Mostly the only animals that live there animals who can fly, like flying birds, and flying bugs, like flying beetles. Next layer called the canopy. These are the canopies. That's why I need a lot of these trees. The canopy has about 70 to 90% of all the rainforest life. Some animals that live there are monkeys, apes, snakes, and lizards. Also, most birds are found in this layer, like parrots, toucans, and harp eagles. The next layer is called the understory. This is the understory. Yes, next to the leaf. This is the understory. This layer is above the ground, but not that high up in the trees. Most of the climbing animals live there, like monkeys, jaguars, tree kangaroos, and coatis, like spider monkeys. The final layer is the forest floor, the darkest layer. The forest floor is the lowest and darkest part of the rainforest. It is dark because the leaves take the sunlight. The canopy takes most of the sunlight, and all the darkness goes to the forest floor. It is very muddy on the forest floor, so there are a lot of amphibians there, like frogs, mostly frogs. Amphibians are darker animals. For example, a black jaguar lives on the forest floor to blend into the forest floor to darkness to hunt other animals, like monkeys, or sometimes spider monkeys if they can find them. Also, on the rainforest floor, the forest floor, the ground is very wet and muddy. Yeah, it's very wet and muddy. Lots of tarantulas live there, and lots of spiders and beetles and bugs. Bye, guys.
So that's all the facts. Bye. Hope you have enough for your report.
Thank you. Bye, guys.